Okay, so I have something in front of me that I don't know how long I've had this and how long this has been in my office, but I think it's been years, like a very long time. And the irony is I read the note that came with it and, well, they hope that this finds me well. This is Joe from Grid Studio and they wanted to send me a birthday gift and he said, belated birthday wishes. Due to logistical delays, this will be a belated birthday present. Wish you all the best. Well, here's the wild thing. It's gonna be my birthday again. That happens once a year. Surprise. So this is like a really belated opening of said gift. Now, Grid Studio makes these awesome, well, let me just open them up and show you. I don't even know what's in here. It's been so long. They wrote me this really great, like, heartfelt letter, and I don't remember ever even seeing this. I think this might have been when I was moving my studio, and I think I put it into a container and I had not seen it again until now, like 3 or 4 years later. So it's been a while. Maybe sooner, I'm not sure. I don't know the time frame. But let's open these up. Okay, let's start with a small one on top. This looks so premium. Get me QR code for a chance to win a limited edition frame of the iPhone. That's probably over now. Ooh, are these like little spikes to put in the wall? Ow, God, it's sharp. Jeez. Oh, look at this. It's like a little wax thing. This is like an early birthday present because my birthday's in March. So it's not belated. It's early. Whoa, look at this. It's a teardown of the Pokemon Game Boy Color. Oh, this is so cool. Oh my gosh, my little name is in it. No way! iJustine X Grid. Oh my gosh, this is so thoughtful. Thank you guys so much for sending me this like 4 years ago. I was out of office. This is so cool. Look, look, look. My little name. Wow. This is really freaking cool. This is perfect timing since I just cleaned up my office, everything's all organized, and it's time for some art. Oh, I love this so much. Thank you guys. Okay. Got another one here. I can't believe this has been hidden away from me for years. Beautiful presentation. Oh my gosh. This is so cute. Shut up. My little name in circuits. I am speechless. This is like the sweetest, most thoughtful gift, and I didn't get it until now. I feel awful, but also really happy because this is incredible. And I guess, you know what? It's better late than never. This is so cute. Look at it. Get up close, really get in there. This is incredible. I can't wait to hang this up. I mean, this is just awesome. I mean, each one of these is like getting even more exciting each time. I don't think it can get any cooler, or can it? This is the most exciting unboxing I've ever done. Just when I said that it couldn't get any more exciting. An iPhone 4S teardown, and it has my name on it again. This is so cool. Look, autographed by Steve Jobs. I mean, honestly, it's been so long. Like, Steve Jobs was probably still alive when they mailed this. Oh, this is so cool. Little Steve Jobs autograph there. iPhone 4S teardown. There's no way that this can be topped. There's absolutely no way. Like, I mean, I don't know what's gonna be in here, but it can't top either 3 of these. So, I don't know. Okay, also cool. The iPhone 5. These are just so cool. Where am I gonna hang them? I need to hang them up now. I need to hang them right now. Wow. I like being able to compare the iPhone 4 to the iPhone 5. The iPhone 5 was formally unveiled as a part of a press event on September 12, 2012. The iPhone 5 was the first iPhone to be completely developed under the guidance of Tim Cook and the last iPhone to be overseen by Steve Jobs. So this is a very special phone. Well, thank you, Grid, so much for sending me these whenever you sent them. I am so sorry that it took me so long to get to them, but I'm so glad that I finally opened them, and I'm so excited because now they're going to have a beautiful display somewhere here in my office. So thank you guys guys so much. If you guys want to check out Grid, I'll put a link in the description. I've been such a huge fan of all of their stuff before, and it's wild to see all of the amazing tech that they have broken down and displayed in beautiful art pieces just like this. Well, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. I'm gonna go find a place to hang these now.